There's one. I think, is he there or he left? He was on that bottom one. Did he go? He left. Aw, poot. I almost got him. But I got some of the hummingbirds today. Isn't it wonderful, you all? I'm still watching my birds. Yes, I am. There he is. He's still there. The hummingbird. He's at the lower part. They're so tiny. See him flying around? He's at the lower part, y'all. Look closely. There's the hummingbird. Oh, isn't he pretty? I told you, they feed every 15 minutes. And when it gets real hot, they'll leave. And then sometimes they come back. But just wait. I got a hummingbird feeder. And I got the nectar to put in it. And I'm about to put it up next month. And we're going to see redbirds, blue jays, doves, hummingbirds, crows, the yellow and black finches. They're going to come. And Miss Ruby's going to have it all on video. Look at them. Are you perching on the limb? Are you taking a break? They're so adorable. So tiny. Y'all know I'm a bird watcher. I love my birds. Oh, so tiny. The little hummingbird. He's amazing. And the sun is coming out. And I'm going to film this hummingbird. Get this one. I got to move some plants around. There he goes. And he's gone. He's gone.